Crash Course. A comprehensive guide to Wyoming State, USA, land of natural wonders and cultural heritage. Introduction. Welcome to the beautiful state of Wyoming, located in the western United States. Wyoming is a land of vast landscapes, towering mountains, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife. From its rich history to its thriving economy, this state has something to offer for everyone. Join us on a journey as we explore the geographic location, capital, population, history, politics, economy, education, culture, and top attractions of Wyoming. Along the way, we'll share fascinating stories and examples to captivate your imagination. Geographic location. Wyoming is situated in the mountainous region of the western United States, bordered by Montana to the north, South Dakota and Nebraska to the east, Colorado and Utah to the south, and Idaho to the west. The state covers an area of approximately 97,814 square miles, 253,335 square kilometers, and is the 10th largest state in the country. Capital and population. The capital and largest city of Wyoming is Cheyenne. With a population of around 64,019 residents, Cheyenne is not only the political and economic center of the state but also a vibrant cultural hub. History. Wyoming has a rich and diverse history. It was inhabited by various Native American tribes for thousands of years before European exploration and settlement began. In 1807, the famous explorer John Colter became the first European to enter the region. The Oregon Trail, a historic route used during the westward expansion of the United States, passed through Wyoming, leaving a lasting impact on the state's development. Wyoming played a crucial role in the women's suffrage movement. In 1869, it became the first state in the United States to grant women the right to vote, making it a trailblazer for the rest of the nation. This significant milestone in American history is commemorated by the Wyoming House for Historic Women in Laramie. Politics. Wyoming has a reputation for its conservative political leanings. It has traditionally been a stronghold for the Republican Party, with a majority of its political offices held by Republicans. However, like any other state, Wyoming has a diverse range of political opinions, and its residents actively engage in political discourse and civic participation. Economy. Wyoming's economy is driven by a variety of sectors, including energy, agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. The state is renowned for its vast energy resources, particularly coal, oil, natural gas, and uranium. Agriculture also plays a significant role, with cattle ranching and hay production being prominent. Tourism is another vital contributor to Wyoming's economy. The state attracts visitors from around the world who come to experience its breathtaking national parks, such as Yellowstone and Grand Teton. These parks offer diverse recreational opportunities, including hiking, camping, wildlife watching, and winter sports. Education. Wyoming boasts a strong education system, with a focus on quality and accessibility. The state is home to the University of Wyoming, located in Laramie. The university offers a wide range of academic programs and has a strong emphasis on research and innovation. Additionally, Wyoming has several community colleges and technical institutes that provide vocational training and support economic development. Culture. Wyoming's culture is deeply rooted in its natural surroundings and frontier heritage. Cowboys and cowgirls, rodeos, and ranching traditions are iconic symbols of the state's cultural identity. The Wyoming State Museum in Cheyenne offers a fascinating glimpse into the history and culture of the region, showcasing artifacts, artwork, and exhibits that highlight Wyoming's unique heritage. The state also celebrates various cultural festivals and events throughout the year, including the Cheyenne Frontier Days, the largest outdoor rodeo and western celebration in the world. This week-long event attracts visitors from far and wide and features thrilling rodeo competitions, parades, concerts, and carnival rides. Top 12 attractions in Wyoming. 1. Yellowstone National Park. This iconic national park is home to geysers, hot springs, wildlife, and the famous Old Faithful. 2. Grand Teton National Park. Offering stunning mountain vistas, pristine lakes, and abundant outdoor recreational activities, this park is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. 3. Devil's Tower National Monument. a massive geological formation that rises dramatically from the surrounding landscape. Devil's Tower is sacred to many Native American tribes and is popular for rock climbing. 4. Old Faithful. Located in Yellowstone National Park, this famous geyser erupts at regular intervals, delighting visitors with its impressive displays. 5. Jackson Hole. A premier destination for outdoor adventures, Jackson Hole offers skiing, hiking, wildlife safaris, and a charming western town ambiance. 6. Cody. Known as the rodeo capital of the world, Cody offers visitors the chance to experience the Wild West through its rodeos, museums, and historic sites. 7. Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. This scenic area features stunning canyons, rugged landscapes, and opportunities for boating, fishing, and wildlife viewing. 8. Flaming Gorge National Recreation Area. With its stunning red cliffs and the sprawling Flaming Gorge Reservoir, this area offers a wealth of recreational activities, including fishing, boating, and camping. 9. Wind River Range. A paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and hikers, the Wind River Range boasts rugged mountains, alpine lakes, and stunning vistas. 10. National Historic Trails Interpretive Center. Located in Casper, this center provides insights into the historic trails that shaped the American West, including the Oregon Trail and the California Trail. 11. Hot Springs State Park. Situated in Thermopolis, this park offers visitors the opportunity to relax in mineral-rich hot springs and explore fascinating geological formations. 12. Medicine Bow National Forest. A haven for outdoor recreation. This forest features vast stretches of wilderness, hiking trails, and scenic drives. Summarization. Wyoming, with its breathtaking natural wonders, rich history, vibrant culture, and strong economy, offers a captivating blend of adventure and heritage. From the world-famous Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Parks to the rodeo capital of Cody and the dramatic Devil's Tower, there is no shortage of attractions to explore and experiences to cherish in this remarkable state. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Insert Booking.com referral link here. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.